Oh, that's probably why everything's wet.
Yeah. Found some good ice on the approach there.
No, there's like a pond.
Yeah. Whoop!
One leg presses are really hard with this backpack on.
Say hello to the vlog.
Fuck the vlog.
Tora's cruising up Sour Mash. She's loving every minute of it.
Let me climb.
Go for it, bud. Just got done with
What the fuck?
Sour Mash and we're trying to find our way out.
This is a big ass rock.
It's kind of a fucking pain in the ass, but we're out here and we're doing it. Is it raining? No, I'm just dumb. Anywho, maybe we'll update you when we get to the car or the campground. Who knows? Bye-bye. Some snot. Life update. We're lost as shit. We found some wrap. You can't even see Tora because Tora forgot her headlamp.
It's okay. I have a phone flash there.
But we found these wrap
We're
rings.
lost in a canyon, and now we're gonna descend into fucking cliffs.
Yeah, this sucks dick.
This is weird.
Okie dokie. Vlog update. Where are you? It's fucking dark. Hey, floating lights. We made it back to Margaret after being lost as fucking shit. Actually, we weren't lost as shit. What would you? It's like a 4 out of 10.
We knew where we were, but we knew where we were going.
That's a big fucking mood, I'd say. Anywho, life is good.